In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the hand raising option in Google Meet, which works seamlessly on all types of phones. We all know how important it is to communicate effectively during online meetings, especially when you want to ask a question or share your thoughts without interrupting others. The hand raising feature in Google Meet is a fantastic tool to ensure that everyone gets a chance to contribute without causing a disruption. Let's dive right in and break down how to use this feature. First, the journey starts with accessing Google Meet. Open up the browser or app on your device. If you're on your phone, it might be a good idea to check whether you have the latest version of the Google Meet app. This will ensure that you have access to all the latest features and improvements, including the hand raising option. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the main page, which gives you the chance to start or join meetings. Next up, you'll want to locate the New Meeting button. Typically, it should be easy to find on the main interface. Tapping this button gives you various options, one of which is to start an instant meeting. Opting for an instant meeting is perfect for impromptu gatherings or quick discussions that need your immediate attention. So go ahead and click on Start an Instant Meeting to proceed. Now once your meeting has commenced, focus on the user interface where several options will appear on your screen. It's here that you'll find the Raise Hand feature. The icon for this is generally quite intuitive. It might look like a little hand or similar symbol depending on any updates made to the app's design. Tap on this Raise Hand icon when you need to indicate that you wish to speak or ask a question during the meeting. Here's a helpful tip. When you raise your hand, remember that the meeting organizer gets notified. This is an efficient way to queue questions or comments without needing to interrupt the flow of conversation. Organizers often manage raised hands efficiently by calling on participants in the order in which hands were raised. So it's a polite and effective way of managing participation. After all, it's worth noting that once your question has been addressed or you've made your contribution, don't forget to lower your hand. This keeps the process smooth and ensures that other participants know when they can contribute next. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to use the hand raising option in Google Meet with ease on your phone. Whether you're in a class, a business meeting, or a casual catch-up, this feature makes collaboration and engagement much more organized and respectful. I hope this guide has been helpful for you and that you'll feel more confident using this feature in your next Google Meet session.